Okay, guys, hello, sanibonani. I'm back with another one. So, ngiyathemba ni-sharp and niya-enjoy lama video engiwadrophayo. And yeah, ngibonge kulaba abasubscribe-ile nalaba abacomment-ile. So niyangisiza ukuthi ngichubeke ngalama video. So ngiyabona ukuthi khona abantu abafundayo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma nge-liquidity, ukuthi yini liquidity. So ngiyazi iningi lenu laba abayenza ama-concept e-I_C_T or i-smart money concept bafuna ukwazi nge-liquidity, niyayithola? Okay, oh la la, ngingale kakhulu. Okay, so njengoba ngisho namhlanje ngizokhuluma nge-liquidity. I hope ivoice yami iyazwakala. So liquidity yini liquidity? Liquidity ligama liyazisho nalo, liquid, like liquidity. I-liquidity i-refera to i-volume ekumarket, like i-market i-active kangakanani. Ngazi ngiyazwakala. So singasho ukuthi liquidity refers to how active the market is. Yeah, singasho kanjalo. Liquidity refers to how active the market is. So nge-language yethu esimple singasho ukuthi i-liquidity yila khona uzothola ama-areas of importance, la uzothola khona ama-orders amaningi a-place-we ama-buyers or ama-sellers. So singasho kanjalo, liquidity refers to how active the market is, and in our simple language we can say liquidity are areas of importance, where we find orders, buy stop orders, sell stop orders, noma ama-limit, ama-sell limit nama-buy limit. Areas of importance where areas of importance where orders accumulate. Ngathi slow namhlanje. Accumulate. Angihlelanga kahle. Let me fix this. Okay. So illiquidity refers to how active the market is, and in our simple language, liquidity are areas of importance where orders accumulate. So ila accumulate khona ama-orders, ila uzothola ama-buy stop orders, ama-sell stop orders, or i-sell stop, like yini, i-stop loss, i-stop loss, or ama-limit. Nayithola khona ama-limit a-different, ngizowabhala lapha. But naku-Telegram yami inkinga angikakhoni ukufaka i-link yami lapha ku-description, but the day ngikhona ukuyifaka nizokhona uku-access-a i-Telegram yami. So lapha kune-information ebhaya vele, not konke lokhu engikhuluma ngakho, but almost ezinye izinto ungazithola lapha ku-Telegram yami. So my Telegram channel name is Inkazimulo Trading Center. ngiyacabanga, or inkazimulo community. Hayi ngizoyibheka guys, ningathuki. So where orders accumulate, whether buy stops, whether ama-buy stops or ama-sell stops, whether buy stops or sell stops. Or limit orders or stop losses. Stop loss orders, ne, singasho stop losses, ne. So i-liquidity yiyo lento le, yeah, i-make sense lento le, like I'm trying to simplify lezi zinto lezi, so ngendlela mina engizi-understand-e ngakhona. So i-liquidity ila ama-orders a-accumulate khona. So let's say i-market iyabhaya, ne, then iyabuya iya-retrace, ne. So we have an impulse then a retracement. So la sinani, let's say khona umuntu bekafuna ukubhaya la, but wafika late, wayithola i-market seyiyenze le nto le eyenzile manje. Uyabona ukuthi oh, le market le njengoba seyila i-retrace-ile, so kune-fair value gap la, nayithola. So le fair value gap le ingayisa phezulu i-market, and lana kunani, kune-old high, i-high e-create-ekile, so i-low lena, i-high le e-create-ekile. So lana siyibiza ngani le high lena, siyibiza nge-buy yini, i-buy side liquidity, nayithola. Sizothi yini, so i-buy side liquidity, nayithola. So lo muntu lo njengoba abone ukuthi oh, kune-fair value gap, so uma ngangena la kule fair value gap le, ngakhona ukuphuma la ku-buy side liquidity, because every time i-market mayi-clear-a ini, i-high or i-low, izophinda ibuye futhi kanjalo kanjalo, nayithola. So lela phezulu siyibiza ngani, buy side liquidity, nayithola. So bese nayi-ke seyenza so lana kuzoba nani, i-sell side liquidity. Why ngithi i-sell side is because siyaphansi, like it's the sell side liquidity yama-sellers, or ila ongafaka khona ini, i-sell stop, nayithola. Or yeah, yila ongafaka khona i-sell stop, then ukuthi i-market mayizoyehla so izo-execute-a, bese izo-execute-a le sell stop yakho bese iyachubeka iyasela, nayithola. So hence bathini, sell side liquidity. So lana mangabe ula i-market isaselathi, so i-market isasela yeah, i-market isasela, and uyazi ubona i-fair value gap, but le fair value gap awuyithembi kahle, ne. So uprifera ukungena mangabe seyi-break-e la. So into ongayenza ungaseta ini, i-buy stop. So this buy stop baningi ama-retail traders awasetayo lama-buy stop to continue i-market up. So lawo ma-buy stops lawa a-create-a ini, i-liquidity. So maqeda ukuyifaka le buy stop, then market izoyenzani, izoshoot-a up, nayithola. But akusama ama-buy stop kuphela abawafakayo, so abanye laba aba-trader let's say i-support and resistance, uyabona ukuthi oh, i-market yeza la bese iyajika, kusho ukuthi ingaphinde yenzeni, ibuye ijike bese create-a ini, bathi double top mabasho, uyayithola. So lawo ma-traders lawa a-expect ukuthi i-market ingayenzi i-double top, lapho bazoseta ini bona, i-sell stop limit, bese la phezulu bafake ini, stop loss, bafake i-stop loss, i-stop loss. So niyabona la phezu kwale high le sekunani, kunama-buy stops, kunani, kunama-sell sell stop limit bese kube ne-stop loss. So wonke lama orders wonke lawa we-3 ayenza ukuthi i-market ibe too liquid, uyayithola, hence bathi yini, liquidity. So i-market i-active like phezu kwale high le, is very very active because we have buy stop, sell stop limits for those who are expecting that move, and buy stop for those who are expecting leya move leya, uyayithola. So sithi liquidity, angazi niyayithola le nto engizama ukuyiveza la, ne? So singasho ukuthi ama-previous day highs or previous day lows, previous highs, previous or weekly highs or whatever highs, previous highs and previous lows, so bayibiza nge-PH, ne? PH and previous lows, PL. Kuma previous highs noma previous lows, it is where we find the liquidity, right? So khona in the market always, so ku-market khona nento engiyibhalela ithi ku-market kahle kahle wonke ama-orders atholakala ku-market ayi-liquidity. So njengoba bengisho types of orders, I think types of orders, wonke lama-orders engizowabhala la a-create-a ini, i-liquidity, uyathola, and i-price it's attracted to illiquidity, so it's attracted to lama areas la, types of orders. So we have ini i-buy stop order, we have i-sell stop order, sibe sell limit order or buy limit order, sell limit order. Ngisazoyenza ivideo ukuthi ngibonise ukuthi lama orders lawo asebenza kanjani, ne? So i-buy stop ne-sell stop, it's like maybe i-market, athi ngiwaveze vele. So i-buy stop, let's say uzoyifaka la i-buy stop, then i-market izochubeka bese iya-execute la, kusho ukuthi i-entry yakho izoba laphaya for ini, i-buy stop, ne? Then for i-buy limit, so i-buy limit intekayo, i-buy limit ungayifaka la ukuthi i-market mayizobuya la iyakufaka entry bese yenzani, iyachubeka, ikufaka while yona iyenzani, isela. So mayifika isele bese iyaku-execute bese iyabhala, but i-buy stop yona ikuthola vele umile laphaya endleleni bese iyakuchayisa ingene nawe phakathi bese iyadlula. But lento i-buy limit iyakulanda bese ikufake bese ihamba nawe. So ama-limit ama-orders, ama-stop orders asipanakali. Bese sibe ne-stop loss, naso siyi-order, niyayithola. So yiwo lawo ama-types of orders. So wonke lama-orders lawo a-create-a ini, i-liquidity, a-create i-liquidity ku-market, create liquidity ku-market, ne? And njengoba bengisasho, kuma-previous day highs or previous weekly highs or previous high, yikho la uzothola khona i-liquidity, nala khona ukuthi uma ubhekile nje uyabona ukuthi la abantu abaningi bangafaka ini, ama-orders wabo, like i-buy stop order or i-sell stop order, Uyayithola. So let me just write them down. So areas where akusiwo kuphela la engizowabhala, akhona amanye maningi. You just do your research then uzowathola where liquidity is found. So mina ngibhala lawa angathi abaluleke kakhulu uyayithola. So ama-equal highs, so i-market mayiconsolidate kakhulu ila azothola khona ini i-liquidity, equal highs. So ama-equal highs for ama-support and resistance traders bazokutshela ukuthi la ubona khona i-market yenza so i-create ama-equal highs, kusho ukuthi lena yini i-resistance. Uyayithola, resistance there. So sithini EQH, equal highs ne, ama-equal highs or every liquidity le ephezulu, sithi yini i-buy side liquidity. Uyayithola. So yona ungayibiza ngani? BSL, buy side liquidity ne, equal highs. Then kube yini ama-equal lows, so EQL, equal lows. So wonke ama-liquidity lawa aphansi, like aphansi siwabiza ngani? Ngama-sell side liquidity, sell side liquidity. So it's SSL ne. So laba ba-trade support and resistance bazokutshela ukuthi lana phansi support, so yiwo ama-equal lows wakho. But ningahambi ngale mindset ka-support and resistance, just ngifuna ukuveza ukuthi i-resistance la phezulu bese la phansi vele support. Uyayithola. But nakhona noma uyibambe kanjalo akusinkinga nakhona, akusinkinga. Then kube yini ma-previous day high, let me just write previous high ngoba sometimes i-day, sometimes i-hour, previous hour high or weekly high. Uyayithola. So previous high, most of the time sisebenzisa ama-previous days high, day high or previous low high. Uyayithola. But nizoyibona mhla sengifika kuma-charts. So sithini? Previous high or i-old high, i-high yakudala. Uyayithola. Yeah. So yona i-previous high i-buy side nayo iyini? i-BSL or buy side liquidity. Uyayithola. Bese kube i-previous day low, yabo lo day seka-second or i-previous low, so PL or old low or sell side liquidity. So kahle kahle kusho ukuthi sinani? Sinama-buy side liquidity, sibe nani? Nama-sell side liquidity. Ama-buy side liquidity adila ngama-high, bese ama-sell side liquidity adila ngama-low. So i-previous high nayi i-high yami, so this high right here ne, it creates liquidity, so we say it's buy side liquidity, so we expect price to break it like that. Then we're going to sell side liquidity, so this is our sell side liquidity, so we expect price to do that. Now so yiyo le liquidity. I hope it makes sense. So i-liquidity siyisebenzisa ngani? Angazi niyabona ukuthi let's say ngingene la nethola ngizotargetha la take profit. So sisebenzisa as ini exit point yethu, nethola exit point. So kuyadepend ukuthi uzo-targetha the nearest liquidity, buy side liquidity, or the far buy side liquidity, yayithola. So but singasho ukuthi le i-target 1, exit point number 1. Thingisho lento le, we use liquidity as our exit points. Ila siphuma khona liquidity. Why siphuma kuyo? Usually it's because after i-market iceda breaker i-liquidity or ukusweep i-liquidity, iyenzani? Iyajika, iyaturn back. We use liquidity as our exit point. Exit point. So ingakho like retail traders abhaya aluza, it's because basebenzisa i-mindset le yabo support and resistance yabo yama-pattern, network. So leyo information leyo take profit iyekhawatha abantu kahle kahle. So mayiceda ngizoyiveza manje ukuthi why ngithi iyekhawatha abantu. When price sweeps an old high, or low, an old high or low, expect or anticipate a retracement. Okay, so mawusebenzisa le concept le yama-pattern yabo support and resistance, nayithola ama-pattern or abo support and resistance. So nayi market iyabhala. Okay, so lana for a pattern, ne? So market create a low, you create a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, this higher high, this is our equal highs, ne? Nama equal lows. So market ithe mayifika la yacala ya consolidate, ya create ini bazothi i-resistance, bese ya create ini i-support, then i-create i-pattern ekayo kuba ngathi yini i-bullish flag angisho. So laba aba-trader ama-patterns ba-expect ukuthi i-market kamele yenzeni, ichubeke ibhaye. So yiyo i-concept yakhona, and vele nayo iyele yabhaya, but akusiyi i-direction yakhona. I-market yona i-goal yayo ukuthi yenzeni, i-clear i-liquidity kuphela, not kuphela, but i-goal yayo clear i-liquidity. So iyele yayenzani? Njengoba ngithi when price sweeps an old high or low, anticipate a retracement. Unga-expect ukuthi izoyenza lento eyenzela like i-continue iye phezulu. Nakho iyele ya-clear ini i-buy side liquidity, then futhi yayehla yazo-clear ini i-sell side liquidity, then khane sengayenzani, ngachubeka i-move yayo. Niyayithola le nto engizama ukuyiveza, hope niyayithola. So ningahambi ngale concept le yama-pattern le, izonikhawatha, niyayithola. Okay, so khona le type le of liquidity le ekayo, but ngisazowaveza ama-trades lawa esiwathathayo, niyayithola ukuthi ama-trades anjani. Bese kube ne-liquidity ekayo, so i-market kube ne-liquidity elikayo. So singasho ukuthi liquidity le, yabo, because i-create ama-equal lows, lama-low lawa abhounsa kule, singasho ukuthi kule line le, so liquidity nale. So ingabuye iyenzeni, ibhounce or ibreak kancane, bese yabona uma i-break-a so abanye bazo-expect ukuthi izoyenzani, izoyehla ichubeke, kanti no man. What is it doing? Iceda clear-a ini i-sell side liquidity, yayi-clear i-sell side liquidity bese iyachubeka izo-clear-a ini i-buy side liquidity, network. So yiyo le i-liquidity-ke guys. So i-liquidity kahle kahle isiza ngoku-increase i-confidence yethu, as long sowazi ukuthi oh yini i-fair value gap, ila kungena khona. So ama-fair value gaps singawa-expect-a la FVG, bese i-liquidity yami nayo la like i-old high, i-high ngisho high. So ngingena la bese ngiphuma laphaya, so kusho ukuthi entry yami izobe ila bese ngizophuma laphaya ku-target TP, network. Okay, so the next video engizoyi-drop-a, I'll be putting everything together kahle kahle ukuthi sithatha ama-trades anjani, yabo, ngibonise ukuthi zisipana kanjani zonke lezi zinto engizidropile so far, network. Hope you enjoy these videos. Aseza ama-charts guys, ninga give up, just lana ngisa-keep i-theory, then after i-theory-ke khane sesizoveza i-chart, and then mase siveza i-chart kumele ube sowuzazi lezi zinto lezi, because ngara ngizokhuluma as if like sowuyazi, soyisebenzisile le information le engiyidropile manje, yabo. Angifuni ukuni-confuse-a. If bengicale nge-chart bengizo-confuse abaningi, so it's better uma ngicala la then ngiye ngale ema-chart-ini senizazi zonke lezi zinto lezi. So thank you guys.